Hello again, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us. It's a really rainy, cold day here in the UK, and so we're going to do something inside. We're going to do some cooking and we're going to do a soup dish. The dish that we're going to do is Filipino chicken macaroni sopas, or soup. It's a rich chicken noodle soup dish, great in cold weather. It's really a classic dish of the Philippines. We're going to start off by showing you the ingredients.
The ingredients are, of course, macaroni, evaporated milk, salt and pepper to taste, garlic, onion, broth cubes, water, cabbage, carrots, hot dog, chicken, olive oil, and butter. And now we are preparing our water for the macaroni. So our water is boiling now, ready for our macaroni. First, you pour the salt, alright, so they won't be together. And then we can put now our macaroni. And then try to stir like that and cover it and cook. Okay, we're going to put the oil now. But of course, you need to warm the pan first before putting the oil. Then let it warm. Then put the butter. Melt it. I can smell now. Then we're going to cook the garlic until brown. I can smell the garlic now, so
I can smell it.
I can put the onions. Yum.
A lot of this produce is from our garden.
That's from our garden, yes, correct. So our garlic and onions are already cooked, and we're going to put the chicken. Let's cook this. Stir a bit. And we're going to add salt, pepper to taste. Alright, the macaroni is already cooked, so we need to transfer in a bowl for the moment. We're gonna add the hot dog because I want it a bit of brown, you know.
Sliced hot dog.
Sliced hot dog with the chicken strip, but it will make it taste full. Delicious, what I mean. Now the hot dog and chicken are cooked. We're going to put the broth cubes, chicken broth cubes. A little bit of water. That's it. And let it boil for a bit. It's boiling now, so lower the heat and we can add the other ingredients. I think we can put the milk first. Evaporated milk. And stir a bit. And we're going to add the carrots, my beautiful carrots, like that. And the cabbage.
So that's carrots and cabbage from the garden. Fresh
Yes,
this morning.
fresh.
Harvested this morning from the garden.
Lovely, look at that. It's a soup now. And let's simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Depends until it cooked. Okay, we're going to put the macaroni. Because we cook this separated, so we'll put this last. But if you mix it with the meat, it's different. Oh, that's a soup now. Look at that. And then let's just cook for another
That looks a really
5 minutes
rich
maybe.
and hearty meal, that does.
Yes.
Lots in that soup.
Lots and lots. Lovely. Enjoy your macaroni.
We're ready for our lunch now. Our beautiful soup is ready. So this is our version of Filipino chicken macaroni sopas, or soup. A real classic dish of the Philippines. It's
Yum,
a very
yum.
rich, hearty soup, a whole meal in itself.
Yum, yum. Enjoy.